How to change friend's name on Snapchat app. In order to do that, you may follow up these methods. So open up Snapchat, and once you open up Snapchat, you may head over to the chat section and then go ahead and locate up the friend that you would like to change the username for. Once you go ahead and locate up your friend's profile, all you gotta do is simply tap on their profile and tap on their display name. Once you tap on it, you will be getting a box where you can edit name for your friend. So all you gotta do is simply cancel out their display name and then type in a nickname or any name that you would like for them. After that, tap on save from your screen. And once you do, you will be finding their name being changed on Snapchat. So that is how you basically change your friend's name on Snapchat very easily. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.